Not at you're 19 with 2 kids and now you're taking Percocet? Nope. Take a seat for me in the jury box, ma'am, please. Ma'am, you're charged with prostitution. This case is 370 days.
Hey, folks.
Right here, the judge makes it clear this case isn't just about the law, it's about life choices. Right. Notice how he pivots from punishment to prevention. Have you ever seen a judge act more like a life coach than a jurist? Drop your thoughts below.
Guys,
Judge, may I approach you?
talk to me. Yeah.
Thank you, Judge. Judge, I just wanted to talk to you about this young lady, Ms. Paris de la Gavillo. Basically, Judge, she told me that she actually had tried to, do the P180 program before, but she has 2 kids. Living with grandma, parents are not.
She just wants to plead guilty. Is that what you're trying to tell me?
Sir, I tried my best for the last hour to talk her out of it. If you would,
I'll talk to her if she wants to do it. She's in the driver's seat. We can't force her not to.
I know. That's what she wants. I just want to make sure that you're.
Look,
then that's what
she's in the driver's seat. If that's what she wants to do,
what she wants.
I will counsel her against it, but ultimately it's up to her.
I've already talked to her, Judge. You don't need to, but that's what she wants. So let's get it done.
Ms. Delgadillo, come up. Tell me, what she, hey, no. Hold on. Oh, hold on a second. Let me see. Come up, ma'am.
Exactly what you told me. Okay. It's very nice. We're all just concerned about your future. Okay. So.
The thing is that you're young, right? And what you're doing now, you are paving the way for the next 40 years of your life. This life can either be grandiose, can be amazing, where you go nice places, buy nice things, have great vacations, or it can be a rotten, just terrible existence where you have no money, you're scraping to get by, you have no money to buy clothes. You're charged with a very serious offense now. John has told me that all you want to do is plead guilty to get this done. When you take the easy way out, there are serious consequences. And the problem is you're charged with a prostitution case now. If you plead guilty, you will be branded a prostitute for the rest of your life. You will never take it off. If you ever pick up another case, you'll be facing a minimum of 30 days in jail. It will preclude you from perhaps even getting social services. If you want to get SSI, if you want to get services from the state, they may say no because of this conviction on your record.
I understand.
You really still want to do this? Literally, all you have to do is show up to one meeting and they'll dismiss this case. All you have to do is show up and talk to a staff member. It's 20. How long is the interview? Is it 15 minutes? 20 minutes?
They used to make her go visit.
Maybe half an hour at the most.
I think it's like 30, 45.
If you literally.
I think they also make her go to the women's center.
So they provide resources, and basically she's required to follow up with one of those resources. That's her choice.
What do you mean follow up with a resource? What does that mean?
She needs to get connected with one of the resources that they offer. They offer her a bunch of resources in the interview. And following the interview, then she needs to follow up and make contact with those resources. And that's it. It's called meaningful contact. That's the second part.
This is a powerful moment. The judge is spelling out how a single guilty plea can follow you for decades. It's not just time behind bars, it's lost jobs, lost housing, and stigma. That's the kind of collateral damage most people never think about until it's too late.
Force you to do something. If I could, I would, but I can't. You can do whatever you want to do.
Make sure that you understand. You want to think about it some more? Once you plead guilty and take the easy way out, you cannot ever go back.
You can't, this isn't like Target where I don't like this dress, I'm going to go return it. There's no buyer's remorse here. Once you plead, that's it forever. You never can take this back. And when you're 52, damn it, what the hell did I do? I see it now every day. People come to me and say, well, why the hell did I take this conviction on this theft case? I can never get this off my record. I can't even get an apartment because of it. That's how it affects you in collateral ways, where you want to get a car loan to buy a new car. They're going to see this. This is a crime of moral turpitude. It's a dishonesty crime.
Judge,
People will use it against you.
one other thing, Judge, is that she disclosed to me, and just she's going to go get her urine test, and it's going to show up positive, not for anything but a dependency on a painkiller. She's been on it for a year. She thinks she can stop on her own. Caution her about that also. But so she wants full disclosure.
And you have,
That's the only thing.
and you have 2 children.
Yes, sir.
You realize by pleading guilty, who do you think's going to get wind of this?
I didn't hear you. Say it again.
Who, when you plead guilty to this offense, who do you think is going to get wind of this? And do you think that they're going to think this type of person is a safe place for 2 kids?
Yeah, I know.
CPS.
Yes.
We talked about that.
You think I'm bad? Wait till CPS gets involved. That's a veritable.
You're involved. They're helping with services already to get off of it.
But that's
What are you going to test positive for?
Opiates. That's the only thing I'm scared of. I don't want to.
You should be scared because it's depending on what are you going to test positive for? Guys, what are you going to test positive for?
Opposites.
We have a problem now. We have a big problem. I will not accept any plea of guilty from you now. Not at you're 19 with 2 kids and now you're taking Percocet? Nope. Take a seat for me in the jury box, ma'am, please. We'll have to.
further conversation with Ms. Paris. She will do the program, Judge. I'm gonna have
I'm
her.
gonna have her come drug test all the time now.
Yeah, well, I got you, Judge, but you're gonna find out after today that she has this, so she wanted you to know the truth.
Great.
So the next reset that I actually have is on the 10th, which is in maybe 10 days.
I'm setting her more so that I can test. I know that she's not using
Well,
because
next week, I mean, today's Wednesday. The 10th is just the Monday after next week. And that'll also give her some time to commence the program. We're going to get the contract. Or do you want her back next week?
I still want to send her now because
Yeah. She's going to go down now.
Send her now, please.
Yeah.
Come up, ma'am. Come up.
Coming right behind y'all, counselors.
If you test positive after today for anything else, I'm going to have a contempt hearing. I can hold you in contempt, slap you with 180 days, and put you in a rehabilitation facility. Pills are so very dangerous because you develop an tolerance to them. And the problem is that you continue to take and you have to take more and more and more. And at some point you put your lungs to sleep because that's what happens and you die. That's the problem with pills. You build up a tolerance and you continue to have to double, triple. And the money you're spending on the pills, money you're taking away for food and clothing for the children, not to mention putting your life in danger for 2 kids.
And there it is, the ultimatum. Test positive again, and she's not walking out. It's tough love in real time, and it shows how the court can act as both a hammer and a lifeline. Do you think this strict approach is the only way to break addiction, or should judges show more leniency?
You're not going to like the way that I do it, taking you off. I expect you to be back here Monday to take another drug test. I'm sending her now, and then we'll have her come back on Monday. Yeah.
Judge, she's also going to get the contract today. So, okay.
And there you have it. This wasn't just a case, it was a turning point. Judge Fleischer saw more than a charge. He saw a life at a crossroads and stepped in before it was too late. Do you think the judge did the right thing? Should more cases be approached with this level of care? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. If stories like this matter to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more